All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Unique Adventurez. 2021 season is now officially underway. We are camping, everybody. We are out here making it happen. This weekend we are out here at Camp Lakeview out on Tanawax Lake. It's only about 15-20 minutes away from our house. We wanted to do a quick shakedown trip on our trailer as we just got it back from warranty service. We want to make sure everything is working out okay. So we're going to show you a little bit about this campground tomorrow. But the big thing that we are doing this weekend is we are still winterized. Yes, we are still winterized. We are not going to be de-winterizing our trailer. We're going to show you kind of the pitfalls and the struggles. We're going to show you how we get down on a weekend where we essentially don't use our water system, and how we're going to adapt and still be able to get a good weekend of camping out of the trailer, but without de-winterizing our rig. It is March right now, and technically we could probably de-winterize it, but I want to get a good crack at a good weekend of not de-winterizing it. Hopefully next year we're gonna get to be able to do some more winter camping where maybe we don't de-winterize it and we just take it out. So we're gonna try it. We tried to get out a little bit earlier today. It just didn't work out. Gorgeous sunset out here on the lake. I'll show you a picture of that right now. But we just didn't get here in time to be able to fully enjoy it. Hopefully tomorrow it might give us a little bit. We'll just have to see. But until then, we're going to get inside, relax the rest of the night, and we'll probably see you guys in the morning. So we are going to go do a little bit of exploring around Camp Lakeview here. We got a trail behind here that goes to Byron Lake. The last couple times we've been here, and we've been to this park before, but we haven't been back on these trails yet. So let's go back behind there and go check out these trails on a very brisk early spring. I guess it might still be late winter trip. So let's go check it out. So these trails are actually private to the campground. So if you're staying here, you should be the only people out here to be able to check out these trails here. But there's two directions to go. We're gonna go to the right and check it out. Well, that's good knowledge to have. In case you see a cougar, face the lion and slowly back away. So I'm assuming somebody had seen a cougar on this trail at some point in time. Or karate chop them. But yeah, last year you saw that guy out in Utah, and he did exactly that. He faced, the cougar and held his ground and, slowly backed up and was able to get out. Hopefully we don't see any cougars today on this trail, but let's get back after it.
Maybe we're here at the zigzag. I don't know. We came up this way. We missed the edge of the lake, but maybe you can just see it there. And then it kind of zigzags. So we're going to hope that the way we're going is that way.
Yeah, hopefully.
We'll see, because the water's actually to our left.
Alright, we're making our way up this hill here. It's got a little bit of incline. Not sure I was expecting this on a little trail hike, but we're climbing a little bit. This is gorgeous out here. Hopefully we get a payoff at the top of this hill. We got to the top of this gnarly hill, and then what happened?
There's just a bunch of smaller trails and lots of brush, and yeah, we're gonna head back down because we're not really sure where to go from here.
Not really anywhere else for us to go, and look like we're detouring farther and farther away from the lake. So maybe you're supposed to go left. We're gonna go back down and figure out if we should have gone left.
We're gonna head back down the hill.
All right, we've made it back to the boardwalk area down here. We're gonna come up to this Y and go the other direction and see if we can get to somewhere to launch the drone. All right, left side, round 2, let's go.
Look behind you. So we do see the lake, but yes, however, there is a trail to my slight left and a trail to my far left. So make sure you remember which way you come.
But it's bright, we've made it. Lake Byron, just a small little lake on the back side here, private to the campground. I will let you know right here if there is fishing here, yes or no. I will also let you know if there is fishing, what fish you might be able to catch here, if that is something that you are into. But nice little serene lake out here.
Says posted, private property. Hunting, fishing, trapping, or trespassing for any purpose is strictly prohibited. So I think that answers your question that, sorry, no fishing down here. You have to do it on the lake property. So we're going to take the lower trail. So we figured out that the 2 trails up above by the old house, those are, you can go towards the end of the trail. The lake is not the end of the trail, it's kind of the middle. But we're going to take another trail to the left and see where it ends up. Hopefully back at the start.
We did the trail thing this morning. We hunkered down, and now we're gonna go show you guys one of the prize pieces of staying here is getting to go out and check out the lake, which is just a short walk down the way, and we're gonna go down and go check it out, take the bunny down to the water. So one of the big beauties of being down here, especially in the spring, and even when we've been down here in the fall, that there's just nobody else down here. So we pretty much get the whole place to ourselves, which is cool. Pretty nice out there. We're out here checking out the lake. Nobody else is out here. There's probably a couple reasons for that. One of which, it's too freaking cold to be out here. The wind's going, but it's nice to get out here. Nobody's out here. Just kind of come out and do your own thing, and it's been a really nice time out here. And it's getting too cold being by the water, so
we're gonna take Bubba and head back in. He's hunkered down under this blanket. He's been really good, just sit on the picnic table and cuddling, snuggled in his blanket. So we're gonna get out of this cold, go and start a campfire, have some dinner, spend just a little more time outside, and then head in because it's cold. So, but you know what? It's been a nice weekend out in the trailer since we haven't been out in it for a couple months now, and it's good to be back out. And hopefully we'll catch you on some more adventures.
This is just the start of our season, and we're probably starting a little bit early, but when you haven't seen your trailer in 4 months and the snow only went away like 2 or 3 weeks ago, so you know, you get excited. But we're doing okay so far with the winterized camping. It hasn't been a big deal so far. We're just dumping everything down the toilet, and we'll flush the toilet or flush the black tank tomorrow. But we haven't had any running water. We haven't really had any issues with that. I think some of the things that you probably need to do is just plan accordingly, and making sure that you don't have a lot of dishes and stuff to do. Last night we did grilled cheese sandwiches, which were awesome, but that's, you know, low cleanup.
It's okay.
And then we also did tomato soup in the little individual jars, so we just had to heat them up, and so we didn't have a pot to clean. And then breakfast this morning we just had eggs and sausage, another easy cleanup kind of deal. And tonight we're gonna do hot dogs and instant macaroni and cheese. So we haven't really needed the water, so it is possible to get out and use your trailer and go out and do this stuff during the winter, even though it is cold outside. And we still aren't going to unwinterize our trailer for probably another couple weeks at least. Make sure we're getting through this cold spell, but you can still go out and use it, so that's the important thing. So yeah, we're gonna head back, and we're gonna go warm up and go do a campfire and enjoy the rest of the evening. So we'll catch you guys out later. Well, that concludes another weekend of camping, another episode in the books. Our first weekend out here, 2021, went pretty good. We had a good time. We went and did the trails. We saw the lake. So we did pretty good with water this weekend. We didn't de-winterize. We pretty much just put everything down the toilet and emptied the black tank, and all's well. When we go home, we'll just put a little bit more RV antifreeze into the black tank and into our valve in the toilet, or on top of the toilet there, or on top of the valve of the toilet, and we'll still be winterized. And we did pretty good this weekend. We packed 6 gallons of water to use for everything, not including our drinking water. We just used bottled water for that, and I don't even think we used half of that water. We probably used maybe 3 gallons, and it worked out pretty good. So was a total success. You can definitely come out and do winterized camping for sure. So if you like this content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you're notified, so when we do more of these adventures, you're right there with us. And until then, we'll see you guys in the next video.